Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we're excited to introduce the MacSports WTC X100 MacSports Extended Wagon Bag and Storage, a versatile and durable solution for all your transport needs. This spacious folding wagon boasts a roomy interior with dimensions of 49.5 inches in length, 18 inches in width, and 11 inches in height, offering 30% more room than your average wagon. Crafted with a strong steel frame, it can hold up to an impressive 150 pounds, making it perfect for carrying heavy loads with ease. The wagon features an adjustable handle for effortless maneuverability and locking wheels to ensure stability when stationary. Made from high-quality polyester, this wagon is designed to withstand the elements, providing long-lasting performance. With no assembly required, it's ready to use right out of the box, saving you time and hassle. Whether you're heading to the beach, park, or a sporting event, the MacSports Extended Wagon is your go-to companion for convenient and reliable transport. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.